In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save as on desktop in Microsoft Excel Workbook Sheet Spreadsheet. Saving your Excel file directly to the desktop is one of the quickest ways to access your work later. It allows you to keep important spreadsheets in an easy-to-find location so you can open, edit, or share them whenever you need. Knowing how to properly use the Save As option also helps you organize different versions of your workbook and prevents accidental overwriting of important files. To begin, open the Microsoft Excel workbook that you want to save on your desktop. Make sure that the spreadsheet you are working on is complete or that you are ready to store the current version of the file. Once your workbook is open, move your cursor to the top left corner of the screen and click File. This will open the main File menu where you can access several options related to saving, printing, and managing your Excel documents. Inside the File menu, click on Save As. This option allows you to choose a specific location for the file instead of simply saving it to the default folder. After clicking Save As, a window will appear showing different places where you can store your workbook. In the Location panel, look for Desktop and select it. Choosing the desktop ensures that your Excel file will be saved directly to your computer screen area, making it easy to locate later without searching through multiple folders. Once the desktop location is selected, move to the File Name field and type the name that you want for your spreadsheet. Choose a name that clearly describes the contents of the file so it is easier to recognize later. Below the file name area, you will see the Save As Type option. Make sure the file type is set to Excel Workbook so the spreadsheet keeps all of its Excel formatting, formulas, and features. Keeping the correct file format ensures that the document will open properly in Excel the next time you use it. After confirming the file name, the desktop location, and the file type, click Save. Excel will immediately create a copy of the workbook on your desktop. You can now minimize Excel and check your desktop to see the newly saved spreadsheet. From there, you can easily open it again, move it to another folder, or share it with others. Using the Save As feature is an important habit because it allows you to control where your files are stored and helps you keep your work organized. It's especially helpful when managing multiple spreadsheets or when you want quick access to important documents directly from your desktop. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.